guys, this is me again. I am back checking in with you guys. Today guys, I am having a chill day. I'm not doing too much today. Today guys, I have been having car problems. You guys, so it's been a rough morning. I hope you guys' morning is off to a good start, but for me, not so much. Woke up this morning and Trinity's car would not start. That's my daughter. Some of you guys may know Trinity. She's my 18-year-old. I'm not sure what happened. Only thing we did this weekend was get the windshield wiper blades replaced, and we woke up this morning, her car would not start. So I've been on the phone all day long. So finally, you guys, I get a chance to eat lunch. I tell you guys, some days my days are hectic. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. I think we all have hectic days, hectic mornings, and today was definitely one of them. As you guys can see, I have not even changed out of my PJs. I'm sitting here trying to eat lunch. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm eating. This is what I'm eating, guys. A freaking chicken sandwich. I have not gotten a chance to do anything. You guys can see there's no pots on the stove. There's nothing. So I don't know if I'm gonna cook today or not. You know, it's been a rough one. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know. We can unwind together. But let me finish up lunch and I'll be back.
Don't be here.
Let's see, is this done? Are you gonna ever do that again? You know
Why
better.
they doing it? They're not doing it, asshole. Let me see.
Don't you ever do that again. I should let you go with wet pants on. You should get some bait from the sugar. This is cute. You got the best view too of the pool. White stove. Now this is apartment. You can go and take a picture.
Video.
It's a new TV. Why you put the TV up? Why you put the TV up?
I don't be here. They're gonna everything be done on Friday. The furniture, the TVs, the room, the bed.
Pero esto es más bonito de la historia de la luz.
There you go. Keep it down now. There you go. Keep going this way.
Get it. All the way, turn, get it. Come on, Fusion. Hey.
Come on, King. Get that ball down now. Hey, King.
Get it.
Hey, clear it out. We need the opportunity. Clear it out. Hey, King. You get that ball. Kick it down the other way. We need to go that way.
Oh, it's okay. Which one? With the earplugs in his ear? With the green shoes? He probably
Fernando! Hurry up!
That's car buddy, Fernando. Just running off the field now. He ain't car close. Yeah!